So it was like a couple things I had to develop over the years in order to help me scale my business. One of those things was is I had to change my mindset. I had to change like how I was actually thinking about growing and running this business. And I had to find other ideas on how other people grew their business through, reading, YouTube, whatever the case, or however I got my information, coaching, things like that. So the first thing that you're gonna really have to develop is definitely that mindset. And that second thing is gonna be through sales and marketing. Those are two separate things. Selling to a customer is, getting someone to buy your product at a ticket value, at a ticket price. Marketing is conveying your message or educating your customers through a series of, videos and posts or ads and different things like that. However, you can communicate your message through, to the world out there. Third thing is you have to be able to create systems, processes. You have to be able to all those little tasks that you do on a daily basis as an entrepreneur, sending out emails, quotes, speaking to customers, writing scripts, posting, all of those different things, you need to sit back and actually write out what you're doing on a step by step, rather, create a video or something like that. So when you hire people, you don't physically have to sit there and babysit no one. You have a system and a process already set up. Give it to that individual, let them be trained and have them operate the system, have them manage the system and have them perfect the system. If they have questions on the system, you take a step back and then you alter the system so you can make the system better. The fourth one is don't go broke. Don't spend all your money. That's really it on that one. The fifth one is if you can master steps 1 through 4, you can grow and scale your business.